Hi again. On second thought, and before we go on to showing you some examples of Ansel Adams works, I thought it would be a good idea to show you what students who have come before you have done with this assignment. A monochromatic homage, which means, simply a copy, a reproduction done with great respect of Ansel Adams' landscape works using at least 5 experimental techniques. Okay, this one here, very, very successful here. You can see they're using some, washes, some gradated washes in the background, perhaps some straw blowing in the trees. There's some plastic work in the rocks in the foreground. I'm sure if we could zoom in, we would see maybe some salt or alcohol techniques. I'm just going to go, I want to show you just a couple of these, maybe 5 or 6, and as I'm showing them to you, let's just look at what experimental techniques these artists would have used. For example, here, what techniques really pop out at you? If you said dry brush in the foreground, you're correct. Washes, of course, in the background, that's almost a given. The flat wash, gradated wash, variegated washes, okay? And you see these are monochromatic. I think this group of students had to do just a black and white painting. For you though, because I did not ask you to purchase black watercolor paint, for those of you that don't have it, you're going to do, monochromatic painting, one color, plus you can add some neutrals, whether white, brown, or you mix your own grays to add to that color to get a full range of values. This one here, it's really one of my favorite, the aspen trees from Ansel Adams. Okay, it was very painstakingly painted using washes in the background with a lot of masking in the foreground with rubber cement or Frisket and even masking tape. Okay, this one's just beautiful, don't you think? Look at the snow on the mountains in the middle ground there. How do you think they accomplished those effects? There's another famous Ansel Adams work, the rose and driftwood. And I will include this image in suggested Ansel Adams reproductions for you in the next chapter. Okay, and this is the last one. All right. Again, I just wanted to show you some past student work so you can see, what's expected, what you're getting into here. Of course, every painting will be different. Okay. Every painting has its own voice, and really every painting is a self-portrait. You're probably learning that by now. So I hope you enjoyed looking at these few student examples. And we'll move now on to the next chapter where we get to see some Ansel Adams artworks. Thank you very, very much.